Hi everyone, I'm Saucy Beans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a really super easy and quick tuna steak air fryer recipe. So as you can see, I have my tuna steak ready to go here. So I'm just going to start with the ingredients. We're first going to add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Just like to measure it out here just to make sure we've got enough. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey adds really nice glaze to the tuna steaks, and it also gives your steak a little kind of sweetness to it, so it's not as bitter with the soy sauce and all the other ingredients we're going to add. So that's going to go in there. And then next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. I've already pre-grated my ginger over here, so it's ready to go. I always like to use fresh ginger. So, buy a chunk of ginger, peel it and grate it fresh. It always tastes better than the other store-bought kind of pre-grated ginger that you can get. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Whoops, I lost my cap there. Anyway, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil here. And then the last ingredient is rice vinegar. So we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of rice vinegar, like so. And then just mix that up really, really well. So just kind of get it all incorporated in there. Mix it up really nicely. Make sure the ginger is all kind of like mixed in with the rest of the sauce, like so. That's good. And then we are going to pop the tuna steak into the mixture and just kind of pour all of the sauce on top like so, just so it gets really nice and covered like that. That's perfect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes, let it marinate, and then we're going to pop this baby into the air fryer. Hi everyone, so here we have the tuna steak that was in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. I just covered it up and left it in there, and now we're going to pop it in the air fryer. So we're going to put it on 380 for 4 minutes, so it's pretty quick. And then I'm also going to save a little bit of this sauce. Oh, this guy doesn't want to come on here. Okay, there we go. So we're going to just pop that in like so. And then I'm going to save some of the sauce for afterwards, so you can pop it, put the sauce on at the end. It tastes really good when you kind of smother the sauce on top there. So 380, 4 minutes, and we're just going to wait for that to cook. So our tuna steak has been in the air fryer for about 4 minutes. As you can see, it's really nicely well done. I'm just going to add some of the reserved sauce that I had from the marinade that I made. So just going to drizzle a little bit of the sauce on top here. And then we're also going to garnish it with some sesame seeds. That always tastes really good. Et voila! Oops! My sauce is just spilling onto the counter, but as you can see, it's a really, really tasty, really easy tuna steak recipe that you can make in the air fryer really quickly. So thanks for visiting my channel. If you like what you see and want to see more recipes by me, Saucy Beans, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for visiting me again, everyone. Bye!